Hey everyone, you know I love the EFE Booster, but ever since I got mine it's made a strange noise when I gradually built up speed, and it's run quite sluggishly and drawn around about 400 milliamps, which I've never been really happy with. So I stripped it down again today and noticed this strange grease on the flywheel where the little pencil's pointing, and I thought perhaps the flywheel was binding in the chassis, but it wasn't. Anyway, I did some further tests, re-lubricated and put it all back together, thinking it would be better. In fact, it was far worse, now drawing 500 milliamps. I thought, what on earth could I have done? So I opened it again and disconnected the motor, as you see here, and fed it directly, drawing 80 milliamps. I thought, what on earth's going on? Is something on the body pressing on the flywheel? Then I noticed. If you look here underneath the PCB, you can see the same sort of greasy brown black stain that was on the flywheel. Something, when the body is put back on, was pressing down and causing it to foul on the flywheel. This end is the end with the DCC blanking plug on it, so I wonder if that's pushing up into the roof of the body, somehow making it worse. I really don't know, because it looks like there's plenty of room. Anyway, we found the problem. So what I did is got a couple of fibre washers, and with the merest suggestion of super glue next to the flywheel, I glued them onto the chassis, then put the PCB back down. It's not a problem. And she's drawn 100 milliamps, 120 at tops. Much better, much more smooth, and I've even got flywheel effect, which you want on a booster locomotive, let's face it. So, very strange. If anyone else is getting high current, that grinding, graunching, motory noise when you start up, it might be worth looking into this to see if you've got the same problem. All is okay now, as I say. Just thought I'd bring this to you as a little additional tip. Cheers for now. Bye.